This is how to back up photos on your gallery into Google Photos. So let's get started. The first step is to open Google Photos on your phone. So let's do that. Then once you're here, click on your accounts icon on the top right. And you'll find this option called Backup. So currently it says Backup is off, but now just click on it and you'll reach this page. So from here, we can start or stop the backup. But before doing this, there are a few settings that you have to go through. For that, click on Settings on the top right. Then here, Enable Backup. After that, you have to select the account to which you want to back up all your photos. So you'll see all the accounts which you're signed into. Now select the account you want to back up to. Once that is done, you can see the account and how much space you've used and you have left. Then scroll down. After that, we can decide what all we want to back up. So click on Default Backup. And currently, Default Backup is on. So this means that all photos and videos which you've taken with your camera on this phone, they will get backed up. But if you don't want this and you only want specific folders, then select this option, Device Folders. So here, you'll find all the folders of your system and you can decide if you want to back up all device folders, that's this option on top, or if you only want some, then you can manually select them. Once this is done and you've selected the photos to back up, there are two options. One is the photo and video quality. So they have three options. The original quality, which would take up quite a lot of space, then storage saver or express. So original is the best quality, while express is a compressed version. And the last option is if you want to use mobile data for the backup. So if you don't want to use data, just select no data. Otherwise, you can put a limit and then you can decide if you want to back up videos over data and while you're roaming. So these are all the options. And once all of this is done, as you can see, the backup has started. And over here, we can see all the pictures which are now getting backed up. It's around 10,000. And as you can see, it keeps reducing. So this is how it works. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.